From the supine position, raise your legs 90 degrees. Inhale, lift the hips up and support your back. Come into Sarvangasana. Now slowly bring your right leg down behind the head onto the floor, keeping the knees straight. Inhale up and exhale, bring the left leg down behind the head onto the floor. Inhale up. Keeping the back supported, slowly with control, bring both legs down behind the head onto the floor, keeping the knees straight. Keep the back supported till your feet touch the floor. Walk your toes towards the head. Release the hands, interlock the fingers behind your back. To release the asana, first release your hands, place your palms down on the mat. Raise the legs 45 degrees above the head, roll out vertebra by vertebra. Slowly, with control, bring your legs down to the mat.
Namaste, my name is Rohini and I'm just going to teach you the Shivananda Surya Namaskar. It's one of the most commonly practiced Surya Namaskars, so I'll just teach it to you, alright? So just bring your feet to the front of the mat and bring your hands to heart center. On the inhale, you'll lift your hands up really nice and high, and on the exhale, you'll forward fold, bringing your hands all the way to the ground. From here, plant your hands on either side of the mat, outside of the feet, and take your right leg as far back as you can and drop the knees down, right? From here, gently look up. And then on the exhale, plant your hands down, step both legs back and come into a mountain posture. Make sure the heels of the feet are coming down. And on the inhale, lengthen forwards, shoulders over your wrists, drop the knees down, engage your core muscles, and bring only the chin and chest to the ground. Then thread your chest through, coming into a cobra posture, lengthening through the hands, roll the shoulders back. Again, on the exhale, curl the toes, lift up, and coming back into that mountain posture. Lengthening the spine, making sure you look like an inverted V shape. Lift the right leg up again, really nice and high, and drop it straight in between the hands. Bring the left knee down, roll the shoulders back, sink in. And then again, engage your core, curl the left toes, lift the knees off, and bring the foot in front. On the inhale, rise all the way to the ceiling. And on the exhale, bring your hands to heart center.